Hello everyone, we are going to be solving this question together, and it says using first principle, find the derivative of 1 over 2x plus 1. So we say y equals 1 over 2x plus 1, which is the question given to us. Then we have how that y plus delta y plus delta y must be equal to 1 over 2 into bracket x plus delta x, then plus 1. Whatever change you have for y must also be done for x. So from here, we bring y to this side. So it's going to become negative. That is, we are going to be subtracting y from both sides. So we have y delta y will now be equal to 1 over 2 in bracket x plus delta x, then plus 1 minus y. And don't forget the value of y is 1 over 2x plus 1. So you're going to be substituting the value of y there. So which is going to be giving us delta y be equal to 1 over 2 into bracket x plus delta x plus 1 minus 1 over 2x plus 1. So we have delta y equals 1 over 2 into bracket x plus delta x plus 1 minus 1 over 2x plus 1. So we quickly get the LCM here. We have delta y equals, the LCM is going to be the combination of this and this. So that's going to be 2 into bracket x plus delta x plus 1 all together like this, then multiplying 2x plus 1. So and from here, we divide the LCM by each of the denominators. So dividing by the first denominator, we are going to be cancelling out this, or are going to be left with 2x plus 1. So we are going to be doing that now. So 2x plus 1 times 1 is going to be 2x plus 1. Then we have minus. Also, we are going to be using 2x plus 1, which is the second denominator there, to divide the LCM. And in this case, we're going to be cancelling out 2x plus 1. Then we are going to be having this. So let's quickly do that. We have 2x plus 1 in the LCM. So we are left with 2 in brackets x plus delta x, then plus 1, like this. So which is going to be delta y equals, so we have 2x plus 1. So we have minus 2x when we expand. Then we have minus 2 delta x. Then we have plus 1. Sorry, we have minus 1. All over 2 into x plus delta x plus 1. Then we have 2x plus 1. So all we need to do is quickly collect our like terms. So we know that 2x minus 2x gives 0. And also we have 1 minus 1 to give 0. So we are left with delta y equals 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x minus 1. So we already know all these cancel themselves out. So we have delta y equals minus 2 delta x over 2 into brackets x plus delta x, then plus 1 multiplying 2x plus 1. Of course, we need to get delta y over delta x. So we have to divide all through by delta x. So we have delta y over delta x. So dividing all through by delta x is also the same thing as multiplying by 1 over delta x. So and that's what I'm going to be doing on the right hand side. So it's going to be equal to minus 2 delta x everything over 2 into bracket x plus delta x plus 1, and we have 2x plus 1 multiplied by 1 over delta x. Of course, we have delta x and delta x, and we're going to be having, we have this, so which is going to be delta y over delta x equals minus 2 over 2 into x plus delta x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. So to get the y dx, we're going to be taking limit as delta x tends to 0. So say the y dx equals limit as delta x tends towards 0 of, so it means you are going to be putting delta x to be equal to 0 from the right hand side. So that's going to be minus 2 over 2 in bracket x plus delta x is 0, 0, and plus 1. Then we have 2x plus 1, which is going to be the y dx equal to minus 2 over, we have 2x plus 1. That's 2x plus 2 multiplied by x becomes 2x. Then plus 1 outside here. So plus 1. Then multiply by another 2x plus 1. So the final answer is minus 2 over 2x plus 1 squared. So this is how you get about it. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share. Anticipate for more videos. You are great.